Hello everyone and welcome back to the Simple Science YouTube channel. Simple Science, science made simple. Today's topic, catalysis. Welcome back everyone. As you have seen, today's topic is catalysis. I will try to explain to you guys what is a catalyst or how catalysis work. Hopefully by the end of this video you know what it is. Alright, so let's begin. To explain how catalysis work, I'll give you guys a practical example that I was thinking about it for a while. Alright, so let's think of a continent, Europe, for example. So here we can see Europe. We are in Rome and we want to go to Paris. So there are quite different alternatives to reach Paris. One of them would be walking. As you can see here, we will take quite a long time to walk. So okay, if we walk from Rome to Paris, it will take us 200 and something hours, 275 hours to be more precise. Not only that, it will take a long time, but probably we will get there very tired. So think of this as a normal chemical reaction happening without a catalyst. That's the same thing as us walking from Rome to Paris. But there's not only one way of reaching Paris. So we have different means of transportation to help us arrive in Paris. So let's take in consideration, for example, a car. So here we can see that according to Google, we will take 14 hours to reach Paris by car. Not only by car we will get there faster, but we will also be not so tired, much less tired than we would be if we walked. So in that sense, the car is like a catalyst. It's taking us from the place we were to the place we want to be. It's not changing anything in the car itself. A car is the same in Rome as it is in Paris. And what is the difference? It goes faster, and not only we can go, but we can also take 4 more people with us. Or, well, depends on your car, you can take more. But, yeah, well, so it's much more efficient, right? Is the car the only option we have to go from Rome to Paris? No, we can also take the plane. That with the plane, it will take us 2 hours to reach Paris. So the plane is also a catalyst for our journey. And it's the same with chemical reactions. We usually don't have only one catalyst for one reaction, but we can have multiple catalysts for the same reaction with different results. Another common association with catalysis is the mountain association. So let's take a look at that. Here we have the mountain association. So the normal route or the spontaneous route of a chemical reaction is to climb the mountain and go over the top of the mountain to reach the other side, generating the products. With a catalyst, what happens is that we have a shortcut. So we don't have to go over the top of the mountain, but we go through the middle of the mountain, which requires way less energy. So the key word to understand catalysis is activation energy. So the normal route, the spontaneous route going through the top of the mountain or walking require way more energy than the catalytic route. Then going through the mountain, then going with the car or with the plane, it requires way less energy to generate the products, so to end up in Paris. And it's very important for me to make clear that the catalyst is not changed during the reaction, so it doesn't suffer any alteration. It's the same thing with the car or the plane. Okay, it can take us from Rome to Paris, and it's still a plane. It's still the same plane, all right? It's still the same car, so it doesn't suffer any alteration. So the catalyst, it participates on the reaction, but it doesn't suffer any alteration, the catalyst itself. So in theory, afterwards, you can continue using these catalysts for more reactions. In practice, it doesn't really happen like that, but that's more for the next video. Alright. Well, this was how I tried to come up with a simple explanation for catalysis. I think we will stop the video of today here. Alright, next video we will talk about heterogeneous and homogeneous catalysis. So please, any doubts, questions, comments, critics, anything you want to do, here or in my website, you can find a link in the description also. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys learned something. And thank you very much for watching. Long live science. Cheers.